In order to do that, we have a hashtag. Hashtag RHPFF, pronounced. But it stands for Rabbit Heart Poetry Film Festival. Rabbit Heart Poetry Film Festival. So get on your device of choice, hashtag it up, let people know what a great time you're having and enjoying and all that fun stuff. Great, thanks. One more award before intermission, but we're not going to reward with this one. This is a special award, and to do that, we're going to bring up the person that Rachel said so many wonderful things about. The organizer, host, chief cook, and bottle washer, and the person who's the genius behind this. Please welcome Sue McMillan.
It's kind of working.
No, it's on fine. Just tilt it towards you. You gotta be right in front.
Hey. Alright, so I have some extra thank yous. And first of all, I realized I have been remiss. Fucking thank you, Nix, for taking us in this year. And for taking such good care of us. But I have another couple of thank yous. And these are super important to me. Hold that thought. I had some help this year with some stuff. Because it turns out this job is bigger than one person. Did you think? And the Clark Leap program has been just absolutely wonderful and helped us out last year with Audrey Dolan. And this year we got Team Sally. These are the women who went all over Worcester, got footage, crunched footage, stood in front of a camera, said great things, went to the Worcester Animal Rescue League, took pictures of cats, just absolutely wonderful. We made chips in my kitchen. So, Allie and Sarah, please come up here. So to Alli Jutras and Sarah Meigs, Team Sally, I would like to present the Put a Bird on It Award. For the end. Totally bitch and good interns. So, thank you. So I'm going to put on some best of what not to submit Monday, and we're going to have a 15-minute break. But what you should know is, dude, there's a red carpet outside, so go take pictures. Let me take pictures. Let's take pictures. All right, so let's get on it.